Hey guys, what's up? So today we're doing the glossy eye makeup look. And I'm connected live to a church service in Nigeria. So we're gonna start with my eyebrows first. I'm gonna use the Got2b glue to gel up my eyebrows and then brush it out and clean off the excess glue with wet wipes. I'm gonna use the eyebrow kit just to touch up the front of my brows and then just brush it out to make it look more natural. And now using my concealer to set and prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow. For the color, I decided to go with blue because I think it goes well with the outfit that I already planned. So I decided to use a bit of yellow on top of it. As you can see, I'm not really sure what I'm doing at this point, but I just went with it. Next, I'm using the beige color for the top of my eyelid just to prep it for the highlighter that I'm going to use later on. And now I'm going in with my Pro Base Concealer and just covering up all the dark spots and the discoloration. And then blending it out with my beauty blender. And now time for foundation. I'm using my finger to apply it all over my face and then blending it out later. Next, I'm gonna contour my face with this bronze stick. I really need a darker one though, but yeah. And after that, I applied the concealer under my eyes and just blended it out. Now I'm gonna start applying the blush on my cheeks and my nose bridge, and also start applying the highlighter on my cheekbones and also on my nose bridge and then my upper lip. Next, the lips. I'm using a brown lip liner followed by a red lipstick. Making sure everything blends well by reapplying the lip liner. And now curling my lashes and applying highlighter to the top of my eyelids. Ta-da! And now the wig is on, and next I'm going to be applying the gloss to my eyelids, the moment we've all been waiting for. I think the last time that I did this gloss look was about 2 years ago, so I was a bit nervous at first. This looks good. I'm proud of myself. And now I'm gonna start applying the eyeshadow underneath my eyes. time for mascara. So the last step is applying my setting spray, and this is how I do mine. This is the finished look with my outfit on. I really hope that you liked it, because I did. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below. I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.